How to use Gjensidige Disability Insurance Denmark properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Gjensidige Disability Insurance in Denmark is designed to protect your income if illness or injury prevents you from working. Yet, many policyholders make mistakes that reduce coverage or even risk claim denial. The surprising truth is that not all medical conditions automatically qualify for benefits. One major mistake is misunderstanding the policy's definition of disability. Gjensidige offers coverage for either your own occupation or any occupation. Choosing the wrong type can leave you underprotected if your disability prevents you from performing your current job, but not other types of work. Ignoring the waiting period is another trap. This is the period between the onset of disability and when benefits start. Longer waiting periods reduce premiums but leave you financially exposed. Shorter periods cost more but provide faster support. Align your waiting period with your savings and monthly expenses. Underestimating benefit amounts is another frequent error. Your coverage should reflect your income, living costs, and ongoing financial obligations. Choosing too low a benefit may save money upfront, but can leave you vulnerable if a serious illness or injury occurs. Skipping optional riders is also a mistake. Gjensidige offers add-ons such as partial disability coverage, cost of living adjustments, and future increase options. Foregoing these limits flexibility and long-term protection. Finally, providing incomplete or inaccurate medical or occupational information can jeopardize your claim. Gjensidige requires full transparency during application and claims. Misreporting or omitting details may delay or even deny benefits. By avoiding these mistakes, Gjensidige Disability Insurance Denmark can provide strong, reliable income protection. Understand your policy's definition of disability, choose the right waiting period, set sufficient benefits, consider optional riders, and always provide accurate information to safeguard your financial future.